Okay, I'm over here at Ruth's Flea Markets in 5 Points, Alabama, about 5 miles north of there. And I'm fixing to go look for some knives to repair. $1978 case right here. Beautiful. Got bone handles. Look at that canoe. Dude, what you want for this little side buster there?
About 15 bucks.
We do 10 on it?
How about 15 on it?
You do 12?
Nah,
all right,
I'll hang with 15 on it.
All right, I'll give you 15 for that. Let me see what else you got. Do you have some with like some broken tips or the handles that are messed up? I usually repair them.
Yeah. Let's see. I got some more in here.
All right. Okay.
I don't much think I got any that's broke.
What you want for this case here?
I'll do 40 on it.
Yeah, that's a good price, man. Good price. For right now, I'm gonna get this one here, and I'm gonna come back by. I'm gonna just see what else somebody else has got. Only got so much cash.
I don't believe it. I ain't seen no knives out today.
You haven't?
No, not today.
Okay.
But I ain't saying they ain't none.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna check. He has some good knives, but I'm looking for some that need a repair. Morning, sir. You got any knives like with broke tips or anything? Or like some pocket knives that needs to be repaired or anything?
No.
Okay.
No, I haven't got none.
Okay, buddy. I appreciate it, man. Nice. Like a case.
They're plated for $5.
Know what they are, plated?
Yeah.
Broke tip. What you want for this buck here?
$2.
$2, I'll take it. Well, what you want for this case?
You got a good hat. I'll sell it to you for 15.
15?
Yes, sir.
Well, the blade is kind of whittled down. I'll give you 8 for it.
No?
No. What's the best you'll do on it?
I'm going to get 15.
All right.
I need one.
I know what this is. This is a Boker tree brand.
That's right.
Because it's missing the emblem, right?
I bought it. It had the shield. But now it don't.
They're bad about falling out. So what you want for this one?
I'll give you a deal. It's $10, but
All right, I'll do that for 10.
Yes, sir.
So that's 10. That's 12, right? What you want for these?
I need $5 a piece.
$5 a piece.
Oh, they're hard to get, man.
$5 a piece. Well, let me think on this.
3 for 10. So that's a US.
It's 3 for 10 now?
Yeah, it's 3 for 10 there.
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
All right, so you take 10 for all 3?
oh, yes, sir.
All right, well, I'll do that.
Too.
Okay. What you want for that?
5.
So
It's a good one. It's 82. Well, it's 82, it ain't.
So it'd be 15 for it all.
$15.
All right, I'll do that. Nice Coleman stove. I have a thing for them too. I have like 3 of them. How you doing, sir? Good morning, sir. You got any knives in need of repair, like broke tips or anything that you ain't put out there? Okay, that's what I'm looking for.
Hey, I'm good, you? That's in bad shape, sir.
And what do you want for it?
$2.
How about $1?
All right, we'll do that. The blade broke on that.
But it's got a better taste. I found 2.
Let me look at it. What that is? I have to use my camera to see the thing. Cut mat master. What you want for it?
I don't know now, but I don't know what it is.
Cut master.
How about $6? Oh, that's a saber right there. $5 on these.
5.
Except this one. I'll take $2 on that.
That's 5. We go 5 of those too. That would be 10 if you do. You say $2 on this one? That's a China made now. But I'll take these for 10.
Okay.
You say you wanted 5 for this one?
Yes.
What you want for this? Is it a Zippo?
I think it is.
What you want for it?
$2.
$2?
Let's see if it's Zippo.
It is?
It is.
All right, so 5 and 2, right?
That's $7.
All right, I'll take it. All right. Put that in my little bag here. We thank y'all, man.
Yes,
So y'all all the way over here from Pine Mountain, huh?
Come just about every week.
It is only open on Wednesdays. And
On Wednesday.
the blade is pretty good and strong, and it's made in the USA. I'm gonna offer them $1 or $2 for it.
Take and push it in. You take the keepers off. And
Here we go.
Take 3.
Just what you want for that?
5.
5? Will you take 3?
No, I take 5 for it. I bought some ribbit. I bought ribbits for it, and they wouldn't work.
It wouldn't work.
Yeah, if I didn't improve or clean.
How about 4? I'll take it for 4.
Well, go ahead and give me 4.
All right, sounds good. We'll see. I'll put that right there. Let me check this side out. China made. Which one is that one right there? Buck USA. What you want for this buck?
That one there?
Uh-huh.
It's 25.
25. I mainly buy the ones that are broken, but if I come across a good deal on a nice one that I don't have. Which one is that one right there? Gerber. If it's a USA.
I got this one here. The blade is broken on it.
That is a Gerber USA, and that's got a broken tip. What you want for it?
This is a Queen's here.
Okay. Yeah, what you want for this one? It's got a broke tip on it.
Yep, sure has. What is it?
Gerber USA.
Gerber USA.
Uh-huh.
$5.
All right, I'll take it for 5. That's 5, buddy. Well, thank you, man.
4 or 5, that's right.
All right, buddy. Thank you. You say $5 on this one? All right.
I got a lot of smell left. I was in the bed with a stroke.
So $3? All right. Case, broke blade.
Silver guaranteed.
Zippo.
Well, y'all can't take pictures and go sell them online now.
No, sir. Looking at them. What you want for them? The case and the two Zippos.
The case and the 2 Zippos,
It's got a broke blade.
take
Right?
$30 for it.
30. I can't do that.
Well, them lighters worth $30 a piece.
To some people. Okay, I shot till I dropped. Did real good, and I'll go over everything when I get back home. I had a ball though. I love this kind of stuff. I could be over here all day just talking to these folks. They good folks. Ain't nothing like a case display in a hardware store. What you see is today's haul. This is an old Cutmaster. This one is a real Barlow here. You see this got bolsters that ain't connected to the side, the handles. And this is bone here. The handles on here is bone. Where see this here, the bolsters and handles are together, and all you have to do is uncrimp that. And this will peel right off of here. You got some fasteners down here and fasteners up here. And I think it slides down over with the pins up underneath there. very easy to take off, where this one is real. See, that's bone, and that's nickel plated right there. But I have another Barlow with fake sides on it. I'm probably going to put the blades in here. The handles look really good, and the bolsters look really good. It's just that the blades are bad. So be on the lookout for a video of me swapping some blades out on this one. And this one here I just picked up because of the springs. I can use the springs. I think I paid $2 for it. That's about all it's good for, is the springs. This here is a Victorinox. See here? It's got a broke tip and it needs a new edge and cleaned up. This one here is another Cut Master. I just picked it up because I thought it was pretty cool. Purina. I don't know. I'll just throw it in a drawer if I ever need a spring or change out a blade on this thing. I should be able to. I don't know. I can't pass up good. I only gave like $1 for it, I think. But can't pass up a USA made knife. I feel like I'm saving it. And here's another Victorinox. I gave $3 for this one. This is bent a little bit. And the spring ain't wanting that right. I don't know. I have to look at it. But everything else is good to go. And I've got handles that will fit on this right here. And this here is another Victorinox. I can't pass them up. They're good. If they're $10 or below and they're in pretty good shape, I'm going to buy them because there's no need not to, because they're such good knives. And the only thing that I found wrong, it's got a pair of pliers and it's missing the spring here. But I should be able to find a spring for that, even if I have to order it. See there? Scissors. See, that's the kind of spring it's missing on the pliers. That spring here is all it is. And they ain't much at all. And I'm going to change out this. You see it's faded. I have a new handle to go on it. So. And this one here I just bought for the springs. It's a buck. But that blade's in pretty good shape. That blade ain't in good shape. Because I might be able to find one that has broke springs with good blades. Who knows? But I'm ready. Now this one here is in great shape. All it needs to do is be cleaned up. This is a 1972 mini sodbuster. You see how its case is spelled and counting them dots? There's 8 dots down there. 1970 it started out with 10 dots. And each year, so 75 it only have 5 dots, 79 will be 1 dots. Well, this one has 8, so that means it's 1972. So this case knife is 51 years old. Great shape. Great shape. Check that out. It's got some age on it. It's been carried. But you know what? I only gave $15 for it. Not bad at all. And this one here is a Gerber USA. I think I gave $5 for it. There. Easy out. And look what it's got. A broke tip. But I am going to fix this up real soon. The next knife is in great shape. It's a Boker USA, as you can see that. But it just needs to be cleaned up, some TLC. And it's missing the shield. I'm telling you guys, 75 to 80% of the time I find a Boker knife, it's missing that shield. But you know what? Because I keep spare parts, guess what I have? I have a shield for it. How about that? But it's going to clean up good, and it's going to have the shield, and it's going to be just perfect. It's going to clean up good. Can't wait to do that project. And then the Zippo, you can tell, it's got 3 dots over to the right of that O. You see that? This logo was only used between 1955 and 1979, and with them 3 dots over there, that means this lighter was made in 1968. But it needs work now. It needs work. It's lost its spring here. and it just needs a good cleaning. And but still, I couldn't pass that up. I gave $3 for this, which I've got the guts, and I've got this frame, which is engraved, but I don't care. It's still 1968. Couldn't pass it up. All right, this next set is just a mess kit. All this turns into is a plate and a frying pan to cook in. But then this is the big thing here, see? Silverware, also with U.S. stamps on there, see? And I'm missing a knife. But you know what? I had an extra knife. How about that? See that? Ain't that cool? I found this at a Boy Scout sale about 3 years ago, and I've been keeping it around, and they hold a good edge. But now I have the silverware that will go with that. So now I have a complete set of silverware with that mess kit. And this here is now I can't pass these up. This is an old hickory, and it's made by Ontario Knife Company, made in the USA. See that right there? I might just clean this up and just go ahead and put that in my kitchen drawer. And this here, guys, I paid $1 each for one. These are made in the USA. These are not China-made punches. I can use these punches on replacing or removing pins from knives. So glad I found these. Guys, this one here is a Gerber USA. But this is a Portland, Oregon Gerber USA. It just needs to be cleaned up. But it's a good knife. I might even have a sheath for it. I don't know yet. It might not fit. But I couldn't pass this up for $3. Or I think I paid $5 for it. I want to say $5. But still, good knife. Very good knife. And guys, that is the haul of the Ruth Flea Market in 5 Points, Alabama. I loved it. I had a ball. Had a good time. And I hope y'all did too. I hope y'all enjoyed it. But I just want to thank y'all guys for tuning in today. Appreciate all the support. And I just want to say God bless y'all. And until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.